So it's New Year's Eve, and in the spirit of doing things refreshing and new, decided that at least once a week, or maybe even more than that, we're gonna buy something at a local place and make it at the house. And so this week we're making some Gourmet Village garlic and onion beer bread, which was bought at, or the mix was bought at the Honeycomb Kitchen Shop in downtown Rogers. Mixture is pretty easy to make. You basically just take the mix. It's got some instructions on the side. It's got them in French, just in case you speak French. And it's got them in English for the rest of us who can't speak French. For this beer bread, we're using Fat Tire. It looks like they got a special release label on it. That's why it looks a little bit different. You can see we just mixed it up and we're gonna bake it, and this afternoon we are going to eat it. What do you think, Bailey?
Good.
That's good. The timer just went off for our beer bread. To say that I'm excited about this is an understatement, all right? So we're gonna open the oven and we're gonna see how it looks. When you are pulling stuff out of the oven, I highly recommend using some of these silicone pads. They can be used as trivets, or at my house we use them to grip hot things in the oven. Got those at the Honeycomb Kitchen Store. And it looks awesome. I'm sure it's gonna taste much better than it looks. But we are all set for the Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Yum. Thank you, Honeycomb Kitchen Shop.